Can I teach a complete novice how to pour latte art in just 30 minutes? I've rounded up someone from our office who has no background in coffee, and I'm gonna run her through a crash course in latte art. And then after 30 minutes, she's gonna blow us away with her best latte art pattern. Or we could fail. Yes, failure is a very distinct possibility. So I'm here today with Freya at the DeLonghi Coffee Lounge in Sydney, and we're here because we're going to be using their last Specialista Arte Home Espresso machine. It has a steam wand that has been designed to help make silky, smooth steam milk, which is exactly what we need to crush this challenge. What's more, we'll be giving away one of these machines to a viewer, and details on that part a little later on. Unfortunately, there's going to be no prize for you, Freya, except I do hear that Brad Pitt is a DeLonghi brand ambassador, so maybe I can pull some strings. No, he's busy. How about a t-shirt?
Sounds great.
So before we get started, I'll get you to make a cup of coffee and we'll see where you're at, and then we'll move into this challenge.
Okay, let's do it. This is going badly, isn't it? Oh, there we go, that's a bit better. I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay. Boop.
Hey, we have some art.
That's not bad, that's like abstract.
That's not bad at all. Brilliant, what do you call it?
I'm gonna call it abstract.
Abstract, we're gonna call it abstract.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant, cool, that's her first coffee. So now I'm going to pour my latte art. A nice,
I like that one.
simple, classic art. So Freya, we are ready to do some latte art. How are you feeling?
I'm a little nervous,
Yep.
but I have a little bit of confidence.
Well, I have a stopwatch, and that is going to be our timer. So we're going to start off with 30 minutes, starting now.
Okay.
And the very first thing we're going to do is not use milk. We're actually going to use water and detergent.
Okay.
So first thing, you want to fill up your jug to just below the spout. Awesome. And then just a drop of dishwashing detergent in there. So now we're going to set up on the steam wand. So all you have to do is press the button and get the steam wand into there. Yep. Okay, so we're going to get the steam tip just on the edge of that water there. You're going to get a bit of a slight twist or spin happening in your water. Keep going, keep going, keep going, all the way up until it gets too hot. Turn off. Great work, first steam, awesome. Here's our cup. You're going to pour a little bit into your cup to begin with. Just a little bit, just a small amount, 30 mils, straight in, done, awesome. Now we're going to actually use chocolate powder. So take the lid off and you're going to sprinkle some chocolate powder on top, just nice and cover it like you're doing hot chocolate. Great, stop. And now we're going to pour our very first pattern.
Okay.
So grab your jug by pinching it right here. Okay, so now we're going to pour nice and consistent. So start pouring, and we're going to pour a bit faster, a bit faster, a bit faster.
Do I go in circles?
Yeah, you can do it in circles. Pour, 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 quick, 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 quick. Okay, pause for a second. Pause. Okay, get the tip really close to the center.
Yep.
And start in the center as well, center of the cup.
Center.
Yep, and pour harder and faster. Go, 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 go.
Yep.
And stop. Cool. We've done a small little dot.
Oh,
Great start.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so the next one is we're going to actually go shotgun style. So I'm actually going to control the jug and the cup with you.
Yep.
And you're going to feel the movement, and then you're going to mimic it on the next one.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, so you can see what's going on, and we're going to pour, 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 pour.
Whoa.
Nice and gentle. Pause for a second. How do you feel on that one? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one with milk now.
Okay.
See how those bubbles are spinning? That's exactly what you want to see.
This is good?
Yeah, this is great. Okay. Brilliant. Don't add any more air. So just
Don't
come up with the jug a little bit.
okay.
Yeah. Now we're just folding the milk, making sure that spin is nice and smooth and gentle.
Yeah.
Bring the steam wand a little bit more to the center of the jug. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Right there. When it's too hot, press the button.
Good. Turn it over there.
Great. Okay, use our cloth, wipe down our steam wand.
Yep.
I'm going to put a little bit of milk in there this time.
So I'm just going to
Yep. Chocolate powder on top.
and
Yeah.
chocolate powder. Yep.
Nice continuous pour.
Okay. Nice continuous pour.
Fantastic. Pause for a second, and then get really close and
Start
tilt
in the
the
middle?
cup. Yep, start in the middle. Tilt
Yep.
the cup, tilt the jug. Hold, 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 and then thin, and then up. Done.
It's a little
Not
hot.
bad. It is, it is. You see how you came back with the jug a little bit? And it sort of shaped up that way?
Yep.
Yeah, what you want to do is just hold there. Hold there, let the art come out, then come up and then cut.
Okay.
So it's no backward movements. It's just up, hold there, let the art come out, and then come up, and then cut through.
Okay.
Okay, brilliant. You're going to do the next one by yourself. Okay, so time check. We are at 12 minutes. So you got 20 minutes to go. You feeling the pressure?
Yes.
Do you feel like you're learning something?
Yes,
though?
I do.
Brilliant.
I feel like I have faith that I
getting
can
there.
get this.
Awesome. So what we've done now is we have steamed water and detergent together. That got us used to the steam wand and made sure that we didn't waste any milk. Then we steamed milk, and now we're using chocolate powder as a crema base. This allows her to see the pattern that she's drawing and practice her art. Oh, brilliant. That's coming together. Looking so good.
That was better though.
That is much better. Now I can see the heart starting to appear. It's in the center. Yeah, it's a little fat on one side, but the heart is starting to appear. Okay, we're going to start with brand new milk. Up high, thin, and cut
Oh no,
through.
that didn't work very well.
You've got to elongate the
That
heart.
to me looks like a whale.
Stay there, level out your cup, come up and through. It is happening. Looks amazing. Cool, okay, let's go again.
Okay.
I'm really excited.
Yay.
Tilt the cup, tilt the jug, get really close and pour. A bit faster, get that art out on the surface, and then thin, level out your cup, come up high, and then cut through. We're getting there, we're getting
Oh,
there.
there is a heart, but
There is a
I just
heart.
tried to...
Yep.
Yeah.
So when you do this line here, what you're looking to do is a much thinner, slower pour. When you do the cut through, that's when it has to be super thin. So you see how that's
so you
nice
change
and
the
speed.
The speed.
Yeah. So
Okay.
now you can take your time and sort of just slowly pull through.
Okay, yep.
Yep. Our last 10 minutes, we're actually going to start pulling coffee.
Okay.
Cool.
Yep.
Brilliant.
All right,
Got a
here we
pinch.
go.
Yep. Nice continuous pour. Okay, pause and tilt the cup and tilt the jug. Start really in the center. Yes, there we go. Come up high and thin, pull through. It's starting up here. Really good. That's a really bigger heart now. So just be a little bit more gentle. Hold it there for longer and then come up high and cut through. Got some coffee for you.
Okay.
So here's our jug of milk.
Thank you.
I'm going to prep that up for you.
Yeah,
Okay, it's all you.
all mine.
All you. That spin. Just a dash of milk in here.
Oh, dash of
Just
milk?
a dash. Yep. Okay,
Dash.
great. Mix it up.
Yep.
So we're going to move our hand
I'll
around.
move
That's
the
it.
cup.
Yes, awesome.
Yep.
Okay, nice continuous pour. Brilliant. And then when you're ready, get really close. Tilt the cup. Really tilt the cup. Get closer. There we go. And then come up high and thin and slow and cut through. It's looking amazing. And it's in coffee this time. And we are at 27 minutes.
Okay, we have time for one more?
One more. We've definitely got time for another one. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix, mix,
Great.
mix,
Now
mix,
it's nice continuous pour. Tilt the cup. And then start your art. Up, high, pull through. Exactly 29 minutes and 59 seconds. So well done. How do you feel with that one?
Yeah, I think
Right.
it's good. I think it's a lot harder than it looks.
A lot harder than it
Yeah.
looks. Okay, this is it. This is the showdown. Let's see what 30 minutes of practice reveals. Okay, it's all you. I'm backing out.
Thank you. Got a little bit of bubbles, but
Great timing. Here's your very first
that's
shot.
all right. I'm gonna pour a little bit in, and then I give it a little bit of a swirl. And then I'm doing a nice consistent pour. Yep. Very heavy. Up and down. Yeah. It's the first one.
That is a beautiful heart. Good stuff. Well, I can't give you any more tips. You've got 2 more to go.
And up and down. I liked my first one.
Okay, Freya, this is your final attempt. Hey, we have a heart.
There we go. It's a little
Nice.
up the top. Yeah, I wish we had another 10 minutes or so, and I reckon I could really.
Do you think you'll show up to my class?
Yes. I
Good.
probably- I'll actually show up now.
Wow, massive effort. How do you feel about those last 3 shots?
Yeah, really good. I
Yeah?
was really proud. I think I did quite well.
I think you should be too. They look so much better than the very first one you ever did.
Agreed.
But you're not the only winner today, Freya. Today, our mates at DeLonghi are giving away one of these machines to someone at home. To enter, tag us in a photo on Instagram that shows your own latte art progress. The competition is open to people living in Australia, and all the details are in our Instagram post, which is linked down in the description. And to help you learn how to pour better latte art yourself, then you should watch this video next, where I give you the #1 technique you need to get right. Until next time, see you guys.